So every time we get something new launching, they do phenomenally well always in the beginning, naturally, right? I'm going to show you which one that is. This is called the Zebrano, and these are all sold, of course. I say of course, that's like so pretentious, right? Obnoxious, actually. But no, it's not. I'm not being obnoxious. But look at this. This is amazing. Just stay with me. I know you guys are always. I try to intrigue you. Look at that. Yeah, this is a candle. These are the Zebrano. Look at the size. Yes, this is a candle. It's replaceable. I'm going to go very fast. And it's very well packaged for us. See how it's packaged? I'm going to put it here so it doesn't get scratched. It doesn't move. We ship it this way. It's all protected. But now I got to undo it to show you. I've got to undo it to show you this. And it's going to be a big wow factor here. Just watch the big wow factor. This is also that it travels very well. It doesn't get damaged, right? Let's look at the wow factor. Oh my God. Here we go. Better not drop it. Imagine the beauty. Imagine that. Martha, can I have the tray? Martha, the tray. So here, this is the permanent piece. You see the embossing inside? It's all velvety. This is all the wood panel here. And then, can you put that in here? One second. Can you put that here? Nice. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, look at that. You see the whole concept? The concept is it's a replaceable, permanent piece of architecture at home. Yes, we're in the warehouse. This is not that pretty in here, but guess what? How spectacular is this? It's 8 inches across, 14 inches high, and when placed on a beautiful counter, it looks so magnificent. So that piece is called the Zebrano. There it is, the Zebrano. That's how good it looks. All these will ship today for everyone who's been waiting for your orders. It's called the Zebrano, the #1 fragrance that is moving for us today, even in the middle of summer, is Ash Amber Rose. It's winter, summer at the same time. You want to have another look? Let's have another look. Now I want to do something else for you. I want you to see the beautiful tray. Look at the beautiful tray. We didn't get a close-up of the beautiful tray. Let's get a close-up of this beautiful tray. Wow. Look at the workmanship on this. Thompson Ferrier. Look at the beautiful workmanship. This is called a Venetian. This is a Venetian plaster concrete. Can you believe that? Yes, you know that fine white sand they have? We use it with the super white fine sand and we polish this. This is how you get this beautiful finish. Thompson, here look, Thompson Ferrier. Thompson Ferrier. Welcome. The lifestyles of the rich and famous. You remember him? The lifestyles of the, well, who was this guy's name? I can't remember. I can't remember. Love you guys.